In today's video, we'll be taking a look at this brand new app, Spotit, which I've had the pleasure to be the first one to review. As always, be sure to like this video, be sure to subscribe if you already haven't. Let's take a look at it and let's open it up. Here we are on the main community page right here, where people submit pictures for other people to spot different objects in the pictures. Some of them are very difficult to try out. Let's see one of them. The subject on this one says the Lord. So you look on the picture, it seems like it's pretty easy. So let's try and see if we can spot the Lord in this picture. No, that's not it. That's not it either. That's not it. It seems like it's something that should be simple, but it's really hard to find. And eventually, after you keep trying, you may be able to find it. Try zooming in and inspect the picture more carefully and see if you can spot what the subject is on this Spotit. Well, technically I did find it, but I guess touching the right location is important. So let's try another one and see how well we can do with the next one. Let's see if we can spot this lighthouse on Plaza Beach. Should be easy to spot. I mean, it's a lighthouse. So we're gonna do like we did before. We're gonna zoom in and try to manipulate the picture and see if we can spot it. So obviously you want to try to get this on the first attempt, but don't worry, since there's not a time limit, you can take as much time as you want to review each picture and see if you can find the object. And like I said, manipulation is involved, where you can remove the picture and see if you can find the object. Some of these are really hard to spot, and after you finish, you can rate each one whether you like it or not by these arrow keys up or down. Now you also have the option to submit your own photo for other people to spot as well. Here's how you do it. You can either take a picture right from the app, or you can also go into your gallery and select one. Now once you selected the photo, you want to pick the spot where everybody that people are gonna try to find whatever you have the subject of this your photo is. Next, you want to mark the spot item with the circle here, and you can enlarge it or you can make it smaller, and you can move it anywhere on the picture. This is what they're gonna have to touch in order to hit the Spotit that you're gonna create. And once you finish, you're gonna name your creation. And like I'm gonna put this one as a footstep. Then you just submit it for other people to enjoy. So let me know what you think. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you already have it. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.